Hi all, this is to share some quick image editing and screen capturing techniques which come handy for Windows user. I have here two free software from Microsoft itself actually. One is the inbuilt open snipping tool. Another one is also the Paint 3D. Both are inbuilt with Windows and free. You can launch the snipping tool and the Paint 3D from the Windows search right here. So for launching that snipping tool, you just need to type snip, and for Paint 3D, you just need to 3D. So getting more detail in that, if I'm going to snipping tool, so this is a simple tool actually you can use to capture. Just simply click new and you can select any part of this page. Also there is mods are there free from free from snip which will you can use to cut or capture a rectangle or square or any kind of shapes. Windows snip will be just click on any window, it will pop up. So this is very handy, and you can have this one, and you can also save here. Options are there. So another advantageous feature I'm having here is like highlighter. You can highlight something or write it something, and you can use the wiper here to do that. And different kind of pens are here. Also, like the one advantageous features like a delay option is there. So like in 3 seconds, if I put here, and if I'm launching Chrome and I wanted to capture this particular menu, you can simply click set a delay and select next new, and uh, let me do it again. In 3 seconds the capture will start, so like this, and just need to click again. Yeah, you can click this part of here, there won't be any issue like copying or highlighting. So if you're not putting a delay here, the problem will happen like when you click this menu, and if you tap to capture that, it will go. So it is a nice feature to use the delay option. And the advanced option here is it is already integrated with Paint 3D. If you click Paint 3D here, it will directly open that particular image in editing mode. So simply in Paint 3D, you can simply wrap or any kind of brush tools there. So if you want to like something, I'm very likely to use this kind of option like a highlighter, and you can adjust the thickness right here, and also the color you can move around, and you can also select opacity here like light or something like that, and just need to plus, so it will be set there. So there won't be much layers on this, so you need to uh, do it a one shot. And another option in this one is like the 3D object library. Like you can import, like if you're doing some kind of uh, animation or some slides, so you can simply use this one to rotate and or shape. And the image library is also comes free, like there is animal spaces, so it will be very good and handy for children side. Like you can import it here and put a site and resize very much, put it anywhere here. Also many. See, we can rotate. We can do that in a 3D space. How that is need to be done. That kind of feature is there. So these are very interesting and very handy tools. You can save the file, uh, image or 3D model like a video. Also, you can save it if you're using the 3D images like Flash and all. You can choose different file formatting option also uh, to save this one. So another quick option uh, or piece of information I would like to share is like uh, by pressing Windows key and print screen on your system, it will capture an image instantly. So you can have, if you're in a hurry, don't want to launch anything and just wanted to capture, you can use Windows key plus print screen option to capture, which will go directly to this screenshot and it will automatically rename. You can capture multiple. It won't overwrite or anything, and you can simply see this capture screenshot full capture image of the entire screen. So I hope this is informative for you. Thank you for watching.